Let us see, we have serial number, name of figure, shape of figure, total surface area or surface area, curved surface area or lateral surface area, and volume of the figure. The first one is, let us have cuboid. First one is cuboid. Cuboid is of this shape, just like this. This is your cuboid. Then total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to twice length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. This is the formula for finding out the total surface area of cuboid, where this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Then we have curved surface area, that is twice length plus breadth times height. It's perimeter times height. Twice length plus breadth times height. Then we have volume of the cuboid. It is LBH. Then we have next figure, cube. Cube is the three-dimensional figure which includes 6 square faces. The only difference of cuboid and cube is that this has 6 rectangular faces and this has 6 square faces. Like this, then you have like this, and this is the length because it's square, so this is length. This is length of a cube. Then we have total surface area of cube, that is equal to 6L square. Then curved surface area is 4L square. 4L square. Then we have volume, that is L cube. Then we have third one, that is cuboid, cube, cylinder. Cylinder is of this shape. Where this is height and the circular, and cylinder means, for example, this marker, this is a cylindrical shape, and when you see here by top and bottom we have the circular shapes. So this is your edge and this is your radius. The radius of the circular end is considered as the radius of the cylinder, and total surface area of cylinder is twice pi r times h plus r. Then lateral surface area is twice pi r h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Then number 4 we have cone. Cone is of this shape. Where this is height and below we have circular end. This is the radius of the circular end, is the radius of the cone, and this height, this slope, this height is called slant height, denoted by L. H, height, slant height. L is slant height, S-L-A-N-T, slant height. And R, cone means, for example, you have a softy cone. So these kind of shapes are cone, and the total surface of cone is pi L, pi R times L plus R. And curved surface area is pi RL. There is also one more catch. If you need to find this L, if you observe here carefully, this is height, this is radius, and this is slant height. Now what you observe, you got a right angle triangle. That means you can apply Pythagoras theorem. If two of them are given and one of them is required, then you can apply Pythagoras theorem. In that case, you can say L is x square plus r square. Square root of x square plus r square. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then we have fifth one. We have hemisphere. Hemisphere. Or first I'll show you sphere. Let us first have sphere. This is a sphere, and this, oh sorry, here I have to write a name. Sphere. There is a sphere, and this is the radius of sphere. Total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. We don't have any total surface of sphere because we cannot delete anything from the sphere. So it is again 4 pi r square. And volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. You know about this pi. We told you we are done of this pi in chapter polynomials. Now sixth one is hemisphere. Hemisphere is the half of sphere, like the bowl shape. One more thing, pi you can take as 22 by 7 is the nearest rational number value for pi. Its actual value is non-terminating. Its actual value has non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. You know that, we are already done of that. Now hemisphere, this is the radius of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Lateral is twice pi r square. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Got it? These are the 6 solids which we have to study in this chapter here. And there is one more solid which we'll study about in class 10, that's called frustum. Frustum of a cone. Frustum of a cone, it's like this shape, like the tumbler. If you cut the apex of cone like this, you'll get frustum of cone. Where this is slant height, this is height, this is upper radius R1, this is lower radius R2. So total surface area of frustum of a cone is pi L times R1 square, pi